Welcome to Allison and Mariah show. Today we're going to do a science experiment. The science experiment is about capillary action. What? We're going to make it where it's going to include water and it's going to make it move from one cup to another. We need 4 different things for our science experiment. We need 7 cups, food coloring, 6 paper towels, and water. I'm going to pour water in every other cup. Good job, Sissy. You're doing great. I'm going to show you how you fold the paper towel. You make it into a hot dog. That's the first thing. Then you crease it really hard. 1. Then you crease it another 1, 2. Then you go like this. Make it into a U. Then this. Depending how big your cup is, you might need to cut off an inch. Next, we're gonna put food coloring in all the water. We're gonna do 3 or 4 dots in each one. Next, we're going to put orange in the other cup, next cup. And last is blue. First, you're going to take your paper towel that you folded and you're going to put it in the food coloring that you did and in the empty cup. And it goes like this. All the paper towels are placed in the food coloring. And we're going to check in a couple hours how much water moved into the empty cups. So I was thinking, whoa, it worked! The capillary action worked! Look, now it's all equal. We're going to pull them out to let them dry because we're going to use them tomorrow. For watching the Allison and Mariah show. Hit that subscribe button to watch more. Hit the thumbs up if you liked it.